Hey, it is November 19th. We've got the plumbers here today again. I guess they're not done with rough plumbing. They're doing rough plumbing part 2. We've already had some issues that we've had to work around, and we are working around them.
Look at all that copper pipe and PVC elbows. Plumbing. I love watching him solder the copper pipes. I don't know what it is about flames.
I opened the door to our basement, and there they were! They've breached the hull.
It's so violent when he uses this sawzall to cut the original copper pipe. Vibrates so much. Oh, grab the bucket! And he uses that little device to cut it even smoother. To connect everything.
Connected.
And more soldering. Flamethrowers.
The issue we ran into this morning is that they thought they could put the vent up through this wall, but this wall right here is leaving during phase 2. This wall and this wall. This whole area up here is gonna be totally open. So if we had a vent pipe there, it'd be like coming up to the middle of our kitchen. And what we decided to do was to have that little vent pipe come out right about there. The only issue with that is that we're gonna have to make this wall eventually about 4 inches wider so we can fit that pipe up through there all the way to the roof. So we're losing 4 inches of living room space. Unless we do something else, which I can't think of right now.
What did we learn today? I learned that you need to be incredibly flexible when it comes to construction. As if I didn't know that already. I didn't know where the vent pipe was gonna go. I thought it'll just go out this corner. Nope, it can't go out that corner because there's a steel beam in the way. Nope, it can't go out that corner because the wall is not thick enough. I was stressing out like crazy, if you couldn't tell from that last clip. But you know, in the end, you figure out a way to make it work, and you remember the most important thing. We'll have another bathroom. Another place where we can go poo. Isn't that what everybody wants in the end?